what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Driving 1993 Honda Prelude, and I'm about to make a series of videos of me going from NA to turbo. And I'll just give you a quick walk around of the car real quick. So this is my car, and like I said, nothing special yet, but I'm about to do a quick unboxing video. Well, I already unboxed everything, but I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of the turbo kit and everything I got for the turbo. So without further ado, so I went with the eBay turbo kit. It was $800, I believe. It was one of the cheap ones. And it pretty much came with everything I needed. Oh, shit. Oh. It pretty much came with everything I needed. So, yeah, that's why I went with that one. It's pretty cheap, like I said. So, everything is eBay. Except for a few things like gauges. Got the AEM gauge and the glow shift gauge, but it came from eBay. So, but here it is. So I got everything, set up in my garage, pretty much. I got all this intercooler pipe in here. It came with the kit. It's got like 2 straights, a bunch of 45s, and some 90s. I bought the silicone radiator hose. The kit came with the actual turbo kit itself came with the AM, the 10, the dash 10 AM thing. It came with this little, did it or did it? No. This is what I bought. I bought a bung for the drain. It's just one of those sandwich ones. But it came with this one that you can weld on. And I'm not going to weld it. Came with the drain line. Of course. Came with the feed line. It seems pretty tough. I mean, it's probably going to leak, but we'll see. Came with the gaskets. Of course. Exhaust flange. I gotta get somebody to make me an exhaust. Turbo flange. Turbo gasket, I mean, sorry. It came with this blue coupler. That's why I went ahead and went with the blue hose for the radiator. As well as a blue fan. It came with a bunch of these little clamps. So they don't seem manifold. It's just a log manifold. It's just a basic log. And that's what I'm going around. Came with intercooler. It's pretty small. It's just pretty small. It came with brackets so you can mount it, which is pretty cool. Also came with this piece for the wastegate dump, as well as the dump pipe for the wastegate. not running it out of the hood. It's just not gonna happen. I'm just gonna run it to the exhaust that I already have. Get somebody to do it that way. What's this? Fuel pump regulator. Came with the fuel pressure regulator, I'm sorry. Decent, nice and heavy. Came with all the hoses and stuff. Air hose and gas line. Then we got the, what's this, wastegate. Yes. Man, I'm surprised at this wastegate. Bro, when I tell you this thing is so heavy, it's like, it's huge. I don't even know what size it is, but I know it's big. It's like a 38 millimeter, I think. But it's huge, and it's like, it's massive. It's sturdy. This eBay kit's come a long way, man. You know, people was talking junk about them a couple years ago, but it's like everybody's buying them, so why not? And we got the boost control. I'm probably not gonna run this. I heard bad things about them. Probably just gonna run wastegate spring, and that'll be. We'll figure it out though. Also have the blow off valve. Nice little blow off valve. Make some sounds, hopefully. This is the fuel pump I went with. I went with the Kimso 340, I believe it was, or 350. Got it installed. That's all. Hopefully it's good enough. We shall see. I'm doing this with one hand, by the way. Sorry for the shakiness. The Kimso 340. Kit actually came with this. I'm not gonna use it. It's just gonna sit here. I got the glow shift boost gauge. I got it from eBay. Then I got the AEM. This is the AEM air fuel ratio gauge. I got it from eBay, and it was brand new, and I paid like $55 for it. So I kind of got a good deal on it. So I definitely bought that. But it's brand new, and it's in there. I already took it out though. This is going to be the 70 millimeter throttle body, eBay special, you know. I've actually ran one of these before on a car, and they're pretty fine. They're good. These are the eBay special fuel injectors, 550cc. So if they don't work, oh well, we'll figure it out. I'll just buy some real ones if they don't work. But yeah, it looked like regular fuel injectors to me. Like I said, I have the blue silicone radiator hoses. Then I have the blue radiator fan. I decided to go with a half radiator a half radiator, like a half size. It's eBay. I hope it works. I hope it doesn't overheat. But, so we'll figure that out as we go. But I'm running a half size, so I won't have any clearance issues. All right, so I'm back. We're good. So they sent me, XTD sent me this clutch, and they also sent me the one I ordered. Probably gonna run this. I think it's like a stage 4 or either a stage 3. But I'm definitely probably gonna run this one because it was free. Why not? Blow the free one up first and then save my $60 one. Got this nice little gauge pod. It was like 10 bucks. I'm gonna hang it on my driver's side so my little gauges can face me. Then I'm gonna be using this P28 ECU. It's clean. It was a virgin until I got my hands on her. But yeah, you know, got this nice little fake Mugen clear cover from eBay for 20 bucks. And now for what we all been waiting for. The eBay special. Oh, shit, huge. The eBay special turbo ski noise maker EMUSA turbocharger. I already opened it like 6 months ago. Let's see when I first got it. It works fine. It's small, but it works. It's big, but it's small. Yeah. No shaft play. So, it looks like it's got like 2 fans in it. But I'm ready. I'm ready to see what it do. What it do. Yup, full of oil. But I haven't really taken it out of the package. Like I said, I just opened it. And that's it. We're gonna start on this thing. Probably next week. I'm on 5 days next week, so I'll probably start on it next week. And I'm gonna get as much done as I can. Yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna do everything myself. Do everything that I can do myself. I can weld a little bit. I have a welder. It's a MIG, like one of those flux core welders, but it's, you know, Harbor Freight special. You know, and I'm going to grab my other oil pan from my grandmother's house so I can use that one to drill a hole in. So I'm going to keep the one that's on this car. And, make sure I have 2 of everything. I have 2 of these cars. So I got two engines. 3, actually 3. But later on down the line, I'm gonna be doing a head swap. It's an H22 head on here, the VTEC on this H23. For now, I just want some boost. So we're just gonna do this until it blows up. Fuck it. But yep, this is the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.